Welcome everyone to 10 Minutes Math. Today we have IGCSE Cambridge International Exam Mathematics Paper 2 Extended February-March 2019 0580 22. Let us start the first question. The temperature at 7 is minus 3 degrees Celsius. This temperature is 11 degrees Celsius higher than the temperature at 1. Find the temperature at 1. So the minus 3 degrees Celsius now is 11 degrees higher than temperature at 1. So if we assume the temperature at 1 is x, so x plus 11 will equal to minus 3. So x, which is the temperature at 1, is equal to minus 3 minus 11 minus 14 Celsius. So the temperature is minus 14. Judy swims 12 lengths of swimming pool to raise money for charity. She received $15 for each length she swims. Calculate how much money Judy raises for charity. Now she already swam 22 lengths multiplied by $15. We will have the total money that she collects. So 22 multiplied by 15 will equal to $330. $330. Write the requiring this decimal 0.23 as a fraction. Now the 2, 3, both of them will be repeated. So x will equal to 0.23, 23, 23, and so on. So 10x will equal to 2.3, 23, 23, and so on. 100x will equal to 23.23, 23, 23, and so on. So let us see now. This is 23 after the decimal place, and this is the 23 after the decimal place. So now this equation minus this equation, so it will be 100x minus x will equal to 23.23, 23, 23 minus 0.23, 23, 23, and so on. So now 99x will equal to 23. So x will equal to 23 divided by 99. So the answer here, 23 divided by 99. Okay. Write this number correct to the two significant figures. So again, this is the first number and then the second one. So the answer will be 0.047. 0.047 because this 8 will add 1 to 6. This 8 will add 1 to 6. Write this number in the standard form. So let us count now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2.76, 2.76 multiplied by 10 power 6. 10 power 6. Again, count the number to find how much the number of power 10. A tourist changed $500 into euro, $500 into euro, when the exchange rate was 1 euro is 10697. Calculate how many euros he received. So 1 euro is equal to 1.0 697. So the X euro now is equal to $500. So X in euro is equal to 500 divided 10697. So how many euros he receives? 500 divided by 1.0697 will equal to 476.42. 467.42 euro. 42 euro. Okay. The probability that a sweet made in a factory is the wrong shape is 0.0028. One day the factory make 25,000 sweets. Calculate the number of sweets are expected to be wrong shape. So direct 25,000 by 0.0028 will give us how many pieces in wrong shape. So 25,000 by 0.0028 will equal to 70 pieces. So 70 pieces will be in wrong shape. The pairing of Alexandria from Paris is 128. Calculate the pairing of Paris from Alexandria. So if this is Paris and this is Alexandria, so this is the direction of the north. This angle now 128 degree. We need the pairing of Paris from Alexandria, so we need this angle. The small angle here, this angle is equal to 180 minus 128. So 180 minus 128. So the angle is equal to 52. So pairing angle, the pairing angle will be 360 minus 52. The pairing angle will be 360 minus 52. The pairing angle will be 308 degree. 308 degree. O is the origin. OA is 2x plus 3y and BA is x minus 4y. Find the position vector of B in terms of x and y in the simplest form. So let us draw. This is O, this is A, and then this is A, B, and this is the vector that we need to calculate, which is OB. So let us write the equation OA as a vector plus AB as a vector is equal to OB as a vector. OA is 2x plus 3y plus, this is BA. AB is equal to minus BA. So here minus and then x plus 4y will equal to OB as a vector. So let us complete the equation. 2x minus x will be x plus 3y plus 4y will equal to 7y. So OB will be x plus 7y. Careful for the direction. Here BA, I need AB. So AB as a vector will equal to minus BA as a vector. Okay, that's why we change the sign in this location. Okay, Let us go ahead to another question. Y is directly proportion to x minus 4. So y directly proportion x minus 4. When x equal to 16, y equal to 3, find y in term of x. So we can read the equation, we can write the equation this way. Y is equal to kx minus 4. When y is equal to 3, x is 16 minus 4. So 3 is equal to k multiplied by 12. So k is equal to 3 over 12, 1 over 4. So y is equal to 1 over 4 x minus 4. Let us go ahead to another question. This is a cuboid 12, 5, 7.5. Calculate the total surface area. How many faces we have? We have 6 faces. Let us start to find the area. Area is equal to 2. The first surface is this one, which is 12 by 7.5, plus the upper surface, which is this one, 12 by 5, plus this surface is 5 by 7.5. So this is the total area. 2, because from each surface of this surface I have two surfaces. Okay, total surface is 6. So 2 multiplied 12 by 7.5 plus 12 by 5 plus 5 by 7.5. So the total area 375 centimeter square. 375 centimeter square. Okay, let us go ahead. The number of passengers on the train increased from 63 to 77. Calculate the percentage increases. So we need the percent of increase. So the percent of increase is equal to, now how much the difference? The difference is 77 minus 63 divided by the original part. The original part here is 63. So of course multiply by 100 to find the percent. So the answer will be 77 minus 63 divided by 63 by 100. So the percentage here is 22.2. 22.22. So 22.22. This is the percentage of increase. The percentage of increase. Okay, let us go ahead. A cone with a height 14.8. This is the height of the cone. The volume is 275 centimeter cube. Calculate the radius of the cone if this is the equation of the volume. So volume is equal 1/3 by r squared h. So 275 will equal to 1/3 by r squared 14.8. So r will equal to the square root of 275 by 3 divided by 14.8 by 14.8 by. Let us use our calculator. Square root of, open the bracket, 275 by 3 divided by divided by 14.8. Close your bracket and then equal 4.2. So the radius will equal to 4.21. Let us go ahead. Factorize 7k squared minus 15k. Let us take k. So as a common factor, 7k minus 15. 7k minus 15. So the answer will be k. 7k minus 15. 12 MB plus 8 MB square. Let us take m plus b as a common factor. So 12 plus 8 m plus b. Let us take more common factors. So 12 and 8, we can take 4 m plus b, 3 plus 2 m plus b. So to simplify, the answer here will be 4m plus b by 3 plus 2m plus 2b. This is your answer. Okay, let us go ahead. Eric invests an amount in a bank that pays compound interest at a rate 2.16% per year. At the end of 5 years, the value of this investment is equal to $6,999.31. Calculate the Eric investment. We need the first amount of the money. As you know, for the compound interest, A is equal to B1 plus R divided by 100 power T. Here is the amount at the end. Here the present value of the money. Here the interest rate. Here the time, which is the number of year. So the final money that he has, which is A, so 6,999.31, 6,999.31, this is the final amount of money, will equal to the present value, I don't know the present value, 1 plus the interest rate will equal to 2.16 divided by 100. All of them is power 5, which is the 5 year. The time is 5 year. Let us go ahead and find the answer. 6,999.31 divided by, open the bracket, 1 plus 2.16 divided by 100, close the bracket, power 5. So the present amount will equal to $6,290. $6,290. $6,290. Okay. This is a circle, and A, B, C, and A, B, and C are points on the circle. Center O. The center of the circle is O. A, B, and OC intersected at B. A, B, and OC intersected at B. Find the value of W. So we need the value of this. We need the value of this angle. As you know, the angle here, the angle B, has the same arc with a center angle. So this angle B will equal to 104 divided by 2, will equal to 52. So the angle B is equal to 52. Okay? This angle here, which is angle OBA, was equal to, in this triangle, was equal to 180 minus 21 plus 104. Why? Because in this triangle, the summation of all the angle will equal to 180. The summation of all the angle is equal to 180. So now angle OBA is equal to, let us find this angle, 180 minus 21 plus 104. So this angle is equal to 55. The same triangle here, let us now go to this triangle here. Now W plus the angle here 52 plus 55 will equal to 180. So now we can find the angle W, which will be 180 minus 55 plus 52. So the angle W is 73 degree. 73 degree. Okay. Let us go ahead to the another question. By drawing a suitable tangent, estimate the gradient of the curve at the point B. We need the gradient of the curve. I already draw the tangent here to the curve. We need to find the gradient. To find the gradient M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we need to point at this line. The first point we can add in this line is this point, which is 2, x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So 2 and 1. The second point we can add here to this line is this point. This point x is equal to 0 and y is approximately equal to 2.1. So the gradient now is equal to 2.1 minus 2. 2.1 minus, so 2.1 minus 1. 2.1 minus 1 divided by 0 minus 2. Divided by 0 minus 2. So it will be equal to 1.1 divided by minus 2. Divided by minus 2. So 1.1 divided by 2, the answer will equal to minus 0.55. So the gradient here, M, is equal to minus 0.55. Minus 0.55. Okay? Let us go ahead to another question. Find the value of n when 5 power n is equal to 1 over 25. 5 power n is equal to 1 over 5 power 3. So it's equal to 5 minus 3. So n is equal to minus 3. Simplify 64 divided by m power 3. All of them is power minus 1 over 3. So we can say that 64 power minus 1 over 3 divided by m power 3 power minus 1 over 3. So it would be equal to 64 is equal to 4 by 4 by 4. So 64. So it's 4 power 3 power minus 1 over 3 divided by m is power 3 power minus 1 over 3. So it will be equal 4 3 by minus 1 over 3 and m 3 pi minus 1 over 3. So here, 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 here. So the answer will be m divided by 4. M divided by 4. Okay? Because 4 power minus 1 and m power minus 1. So m will go up, 4 will go down. Okay? Let us go ahead. A pipe is full of water. The cross section of the pipe is a circle. The radius is 2.6. Water flows through the pipe into a tank. Speed is equal to 12 centimeters per second. So the rate, let us write here, rate is equal to 12 centimeters per second. Calculate the number of liters that flow into the tank in 1 hour. In 1 hour. The radius of this tank is 2.6 and we need how many liters that flow from this tank in 1 hour. Okay? So to start to answer this question, the volume of the pipe in 1 second is equal to, or per 1 second, is equal to pi r squared h. This volume in second will equal to pi 2.6 squared by the height 12. So it's equal to 2.6 square by 12. So the volume here is equal to 81.12 by in what? In second. This is the volume in every second. Now I need to transfer this volume in 1 hour. Find the volume in 1 hour. So 81.12 by multiplied by 60 minutes, multiplied by 60. Now it's the volume in hour. But you need also in liter. So to change from centimeter cube to liter, we divide it by 1000. Divided by 1000. This will be the volume in hour and the unit is liter. The unit is liter. So let us find this answer. This value by 60 divided by 1000. So the answer will be 917.45 liters per hour. So the volume 917.45 liters, and how many in the flow into the tank in 1 hour. This is the volume of the water leave the tank in 1 hour. Okay? Simplify this equation. So let us write this equation in this form. I will take b as a common factor. So it will be a minus b divided by a squared minus b squared. I can write it in this way. A minus b, a plus b. You remember x squared minus y squared is equal to x minus y, x plus y. Okay, so now this a minus b will go with a minus b. So your final answer will be b divided by a plus b. A plus b. Okay. Let us go ahead to another question. We have two matrices. You need to multiply the both matrices. So again, row with a column, and then row with a column, and then row with a column, row with a column. Let's start to find the solution. 2 2 pi 1 minus 5 pi minus 1. 2 pi 6 minus 1 pi 4. 4 pi 1 plus 3 pi minus 5. Here 4 pi 6 plus 3 pi 4. 2 minus 5 minus 1, so 7. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. 4 minus 15 minus 11. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24 plus 12 equal to 36. Double check with your calculator. Mode. Matrix is 6. Matrix 1. 2 by 2 is 5. Now 2 equal minus 1 equal and 4 equal 3 equal. Now again matrix 2, which is B, 5, 2 by 2, 1 equal 6 equal minus 5 equal 4 equal. Now shift 4 for matrix. Matrix A is 3 by shift 4 again. Matrix B is 4, so equal 7, 8 minus 11, 36. So our answer is right. The answer is right. Okay. Let us go ahead and see the second question. Find the value of x when the determinant of this matrix is equal to 5. The determinant of the matrix is equal to 3 by x minus 1 by minus 7. This determinant is equal to 5, so 3x minus 7 will equal to 5. 3x is equal to 5 plus 7, so x will equal to 5 plus 7 divided by 3. So the answer will equal to 4. So x equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Okay? Without using your calculator, work out 1/8 divided by 5/12. So let us start 1/8 divided by 5/12. 3 by 8 is equal to 24 plus 1, 25 divided by 8. Divided by 8 divided by 5/12. So 25 divided by 8 by 12/5. 5 divided by 4 equal to 2, divided by 4 equals 3. So the answer will be 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5. So the answer here is 7.5. 7.5. Okay. Let us see this question. We have speed time graph. So the first 50 seconds of the journey. Calculate the acceleration during the first 15 seconds. I need the acceleration here. As you know, acceleration is equal to speed divided by time. The speed divided by time. So the first speed here is 25 minus the start speed is 0, so 25 minus 0, and the time will equal to 15 minus 0. 15 minus 0, so the acceleration will be 25 over 15 divided by 5, 3, divided by 5, 5, so 5 over 3, so the acceleration was equal to 5 over 3 meter per second square. Let us go ahead. The distance traveled in the 50 seconds, he need the total distance. The total distance is mean the area of the triangle plus the area of the rectangle, the area under the curve. So let us work out the distance. The distance here, D, was equal to half. The area of the triangle, half, 15 multiplied by 25, plus here the area of the rectangle, this distance, which is 35. So 35 by the height here is 25. The height is 25. So the total distance in the journey, it will be the area under the graph. The area under the graph. Let us go and calculate. Half by 15 by 25 plus 35 by 25. So the total distance will equal to 1062.5 meters. 1062.5 meters. That is the total distance, which is the area under the graph. The area under the graph. Let us go ahead to another question. A is the point 2 and 3, B is the point 7 and minus 5. Find the coordinate of the midpoint of A, B. The midpoint all the time, coordinate will equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So the midpoint will equal to 2 plus 7 divided by 2 and 3 plus minus 5 divided by 2. So the midpoint will equal to 9 over 2, 4.5, and 3 minus 5 minus 2 divided by 2 equal to minus 1. So the coordinate is 4.5 and minus 1. 4.5 and minus 1. Find the equation of the line through A. So we find now the line, we need the line, go through point A and perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular to AB, of course, in the form y equal to mx plus c. MAB was equal to the slope was equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Minus 5 minus 3 divided by 7 minus 2. So it will equal to minus 8 divided by 5. So this is the slope of MAB. The slope of the perpendicular will equal to minus 1 over MAB. So the slope of the perpendicular is equal to, or the slope of the perpendicular equal to 5 over 8. This is the perpendicular line. So the equation of the perpendicular line will equal to y is equal to 5 over 8 x plus c. Point A, which is 2 and 3, is one point at this line. So at y equal to 3 and the x equal to 2, we can find the c. So here is equal to 4. So C will equal to 3 minus 5 over 4. 5 over 4. So it's equal to 4. 12 minus 5. So C is equal to 7 over 4. 7 over 4. So the equation now of y is equal to 5 over 8. X plus 7 over 4. 7 over 4. Okay? Let us see the last question. I have this shape. Need to calculate SR. You need what? You need SR. You need this line. SR. SR in this triangle. In this triangle, what I know that this length and I know the angle. This length, this is the one I need, and I know the opposite angle. So sine rule. Sine 53 divided by SR is equal to sine 79 divided by 7.4. So SR is equal to 7.4 sine 53 divided by sine 97. Sine 97. So let us go ahead. 7.4 by sine 53, close the bracket, divided by sine 97. So the length is equal to 5.95. SR is equal to 5.95 centimeter. Now RQ, you need this line RQ. I know the angle and I know the nearest length and the nearest length. So cosine rule. So cosine rule. RQ square will equal to 7.4 square plus 8.5 square minus 2 by 7.4 by 8.5 by cosine the angle 26. By cosine the angle 26. So RQ is equal to square root of, open the bracket, 7.4 square plus 8.5 square minus 2 by 7.4 by 8.5 by cosine 26. Close the bracket. So this length is 3.73. 3.73 centimeter. Okay, so sine rule in the first part of the question and the cosine rule in the second part of the question. Thank you. Bye.